Hello everybody, welcome to Net Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from unit 9 of your syllabus, that is kinetic theory of gases. Okay, that's it. Now the question is, a sample of 0.1 gram of water at 100 degrees C and normal pressure. What is normal pressure? 1.013 into 10 power plus 5 Newton per meter square. That you know very well. Requires 54 calories of heat energy. Normally for heat energy we will give it in joules. Here it has been given in another unit, that is 54 calories. How to solve this? Let us solve the problem. Okay, heat energy to convert into steam at 100 degrees C. The sample is at this in the state of water at 100 degrees C and it is converted into steam at 100 degrees C. Of course, by taking 54 calories of heat energy. Okay. If the volume of the steam produced is 167.1 cc, cc means what? Cubic centimeter. The change in internal energy of the sample is how much? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2018. So as usual, you are given four options: 103.4 joules, 208.7 joule, 42.2 joule, 84.5 joule. So these are all the four options. How to solve this problem, sir? According to first law of thermodynamics, you know one thing: delta U is equal to Q minus W. When you are giving some energy to a sample, it is utilized in two ways. Q is equal to dQ is equal to delta U plus W. So delta U is equal to Q minus W. One portion is utilized in increasing the internal energy, another portion is utilized in doing some work. So in that sense, delta U is equal to Q minus W. Q is the energy supplied, that is 54 calories. We will convert it into at a later stage, minus W. So delta U is the change in internal energy, which we are going to find as answer for this question. Okay, what is W? W is the work done by the sample. What is this? The formula for W is equal to P into dV, pressure into change in volume. What is pressure? 1.013 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. What is change in volume? dV is the change in volume. It is equal to volume of steam Vs minus volume of water. Because initially the sample is in the liquid state, that is water. At the final state, after consuming heat energy, it becomes a steam. So volume of steam minus volume of water. What is volume of steam? Vs, volume of steam. 167.4 cc. That is equal to 167.1 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. You have to convert it into SI units. So cubic centimeter, when it is converted into meter cube, 10 power minus 6. That is no very well conversion. Okay. So VW, volume of water. Whether it is given, sir? Not directly given, but indirectly given. So we know that density is equal to mass by volume. So volume is equal to mass by density. So volume of water is equal to mass of water divided by density of water. What is mass of water? 0.1 gram of water. 0.1 gram means 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. What is density of water? 1000 kilogram per meter cube. That you know very well. Okay, that's all. So 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 1000. When this, what does it mean by 1000, sir? 10 into plus power 3. 10 power plus 3. Okay? When it goes up, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 3. So that is equal to 1 more 10 power minus 3. So 0.1 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So then what is change in volume? Vs minus Vw. dV is equal to, what is Vs? 167.1 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. What is Vw? 0.1 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. அவ்வளவுதான் கண்டுபிடிக்க. அப்ப இந்த 0.1 மட்டும் தான் கழிக்கிறோம். That is equal to 167 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. That's all the value of dV. So P is here, dV is here. So this is P dV, that is work done, that you can calculate. So W is equal to P dV, 1.013 into 10 power plus 5 into 167. So this is 1.013. I take it, I assume this as 1. So approximately you can write, this is just 167 into 1, that is 167. Of course, 10 power minus 6 here, 10 power plus 5 here. So 167 into 10 power minus 1. Let's equal to what? 16.7 joule. 16.7 joule is the work done. Okay, that's all. What is our primary equation? Delta U is equal to Q minus W. Your aim is to find the value of delta U. Okay, so W you found now. What is Q? Heat energy required for this event, 54 calories. How to convert it into joules? 54 into 4.2. 4 into 42. சரியா? அல்ல 2 into 54 108. அப்ப 10 கிடைக்கும். 4 into 54 216. So 216 பத்தி 226. So 226.8 joules. 226.8. What is this? Q. அப்ப Q 226.8 minus W 16.7. So your delta U is equal to 210.1 joule. Sir, such an option was not at all given in the question, sir. Of course. Here he made an approximation, very minor approximation. So this value is very nearly equal to the given option 208.7 joule. So change in internal energy of the sample is equal to delta U is equal to 208.7 joules. Your option 2 is right. Other options are not at all equal to this one. They are not at all in the nearby place also. Okay, 100, 42, 82. They are not the answer. So 208.7 joules. Option 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay, so you will see one more question from this unit, kinetic theory of gases, that is unit 9, in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.